As you can probably tell, we are not on our RV right now. Those of you who follow us on Instagram know that our motorhome is in storage. We are in transit by air and
By sea, apparently.
maybe by sea. So we wanted to give you a quick update as to what's happening, where we're headed, what's coming next, give you a quick sneak preview of a very exciting upcoming video or two we'll be doing.
But worry not, we are not making the transition to a boat. We are still staying on our RV. This is just a temporary.
We know that after other friends of ours have bought boats, everybody keeps asking us when we're getting a boat. Contrary to what you see behind us, we are not buying a boat.
No,
right?
No, we are not buying a boat. We encourage family members and friends to buy boats, though, because they're fun.
We did, however, think that this was an appropriate spot to tell you about a little upcoming news, because we are going to be in an area that is full of water by the time you see this. We will be coming to you from Venice, Italy very soon.
Yes.
We are about to make our third international RVing experience. We're very excited to be spending the month of October in Italy, where we will be RVing for a good portion of that time with our friends Heath and Alyssa Padgett and their new baby, Ellie.
Yeah, can you talk to me? How's your day going? Ow, that actually genuinely hurt.
The five of us will be motoring around northern Italy for quite some time.
So when you see this, we will be in Venice, and this is the closest we could come to evoking Venice here in North America right now.
No gondolas nearby.
No, this is not a gondola. However, on Saturday, I think we're going to have this come out on Saturday, and we will be in Venice at that time, and we will be about to get on our RVs, and we will, of course, shoot a couple of videos showing you what RVing in Italy is like.
If you want to follow along on that with the most up-to-date, follow us on Instagram, and we'll be posting pictures and maybe some videos while we're traveling around on Instagram. So that's the best way to stay up-to-date with what we're doing.
Now, besides coming to you from Italy, we'll also be shooting footage for the RVers, our TV show, where we will be featuring Heath and Alyssa and their baby Ellie doing a segment about international RVing with infants. How perfect. And they had the baby just for that purpose.
They're so accommodating, really. They're very helpful people.
Now, one other exciting piece of info that we have coming up, again, those of you who follow us on Instagram, but particularly on Patreon, we mention to our Patreon subscribers that we have just completed an exciting upgrade to our motorhome. And that is, we've gone from the same 3 solar panels that we've had for the last 14 and a half years, and we've upgraded our system to a brand new Xantrex system that puts out 1,300 watts. That is 4 flexible panels that are stuck down to the roof.
4 rigid panels that are mounted on tilt kits.
A company called Solar Vector has provided the tilt kits, which allow us to tilt our panels at the push of a button instead of getting up on the roof. 4 of our panels will be stuck down to the roof. 4 of the panels are rigid, tiltable panels, all operated through those Solar Vector lift kits. We will, of course, have video about that upcoming when we get back to North America in early November. We'll be editing that video and others. We will have more complete videos, our more normal type of detailed how-to videos coming up in the near future. But as we're in transit at the moment with our RV in storage, we're just coming to you with this update today. And that's it for now. Thanks so much for joining us. As always,
safe travels.
And thanks for watching. So we were out on the water today. We'll probably be going back out and... Hey, can't you see we're shooting a video here?
Can't you see I'm using my boat here?
It's a very busy area here, apparently. You can't get any quiet to shoot video. That's John's sister, by the way. Say hi, Karen.
Hi, Karen.
She's very obedient.